you doing, guys?
Hi, I'm Heather Crumpton.
Hi, I'm Tracy.
Hello, Clark here.
Hey, Presh. Huh? I have a brilliant idea. What are you talking about?
A bit of a tidy up and a bit of rubbish wood. What we call 2020.
It's been a horrible year and I want to set 2020 on fire.
Here we are, getting towards the end of 2020. I think everybody's fed up of it.
And I know exactly what I'm going to do with this.
Time to burn. Right, do us a quick favour. Write down in the comments what you want to forget about 2020. But do not mention COVID. We all want to forget about that. There's stuff that I want to forget. There's been lack of jobs, no shows, no competitions. I haven't seen as people as much as I want to. We haven't done what I wanted to. I haven't been the place I want to with the family. But those are things I want to forget. But I've made a lot of changes this year for the better. So that's what I'm remembering. That's what I'm taking into 2021, sorry. And leave the stuff I'm going to leave in 2020. I'm going to forget about. I'm going to burn tonight. Forget about it. Make changes from now on, going forward. Forgetting about all the shit. And just looking forward to better times. Okay, right? Time to burn.
So, as 2020, a rubbish year, disappears into the flames, let's hope all the bad luck and misery it brought does the same.